Guess who's come back to finally take the stage once again? You know him, you love him, the almighty invincible Gotenks! Xeno edition. You all must be really excited to see him back in action. Gotenks is one of the most powerful, well, he thinks he is. He's actually one of the best characters in Dragon Ball Super, Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball Z Kai. Well, all things Dragon Ball, actually. Well, tonight, we all know that this guy is strong. So tonight we're drawing Xeno Gotenks. I know you all are excited to draw this character as much as I do. As we all know, Gotenks is a fusion of, well, Xeno Gotenks is a fusion of Xeno Goten and Xeno Trunks. After the complete form of the fusion dance. Seeing Gotenks in action? Awesome. Get this. Gotenks, he likes to make the fights more, he likes to create fights and make them more fantastic and exciting. His arm. Gotenks. Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
Now this is where the fight gets awesome.
I'll trust the power you've got.
Now he draws a sword sticking out of his back. There.
Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll trust the power you've got inside. All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future that's just beyond the door. Break out of prison with a slam,
There's his handlebar.
no problem even in a damn.
We come to action like a bam, bam, bam.
Light bursts from all the scene, let's get sparking. First forgetting comes, then we clash. Winning in the left, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sun is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring.
Here's his handle. Here's his fist.
Nobody knows, Super Dragon Ball Hero.
Now we let the blues fill the room. Hearts are gonna beat with a boom.
After that you'll understand, this horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit, it's okay to cry, just a bit. But we'll keep on going forward, burning brightly to the core. Always energized for the goal, legends never die, so we won't. Are you ready to achieve that amazing victory? First we're getting pumped, then we clash. Winning in the left, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sun is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the cosmos and nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
And done. Da 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 da! Da 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 da! Da 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 da! The legendary Gotenks is finally here to save the planet once again. There he is, folks. I told you I'd get him done. I finally drew the legendary Xeno Gotenks. Now he's here to save the planet. Alexa, play Chala Hetchala. Alexa, play Chala Hetchala.
The station,
Alexa.
Disney Favorites,
Alexa.
on Amazon Music.
Play Chala Hetchala.
Here's Chala Head Chala by Flo on Amazon Music.
Now this guy's ready to celebrate. If you all are excited about this episode, because I've got more characters coming soon, and this one just made his top on the top chopping block. The good block, actually. He's got the fusion dance vest and everything. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.